All right, how do I change the language on my Chrome browser? Let's say my Chrome browser, I want to see everything in different language. I would go to this three dots all the way on the top right, and I'll go to the setting, and then from there I'll go to the language right here, and then this is my default language, which is English in the United States. I can add a language that I want to add from the list here, as well as I can search. Let's say I want to add Hindi, right? I can just search, add, and then boom, add. And right now it's on the list, but it's not my default Chrome language. And if I want to see this going forward, I could just go right click over here and then display Google Chrome in this language. What it does is, if you check this going forward, if you close your Chrome browser and reopen it, it will display everything in the language of your choice.